G'day, Colin here from the dog line. This is my mate Steve from Solar Fruit. Now we're about to tempt our world record, so keep tuned. But we're at the show, and if you want to get some Solar Fruit chocolate coated sun-dried plums, go to www.solarfruit.com. And if you want to get a treat bag for your dog, go to www.thedogline.com. And any of the show bags sold online, $3 goes to Animal Rescue. Right, here we go with our world record. Watch closely.
I know, it'll be on the video.
Right, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you online.